To get started, you want to take all but one of your threads and clip them to your board. Then you're going to be knotting your last thread over the centre point. So match up the ends of your last thread and then pull about a foot extra out at one end. And then run your fingers along it to find the centre. So you want your shortest end to be at the top. And then you want to loop this over the top of the rest of your threads. And then pull the loop through underneath. And then thread through the ends. And this will secure it over the rest of your threads. So that will form the first knot of your loop. Now make sure you're taking the shortest end and putting it out of the way at the top. And then take your longest end and then go over the top of your threads and then under and through. And then you want to go under and then over and through. And once again over and through. And then under and through. And do this until you've got the loop as big as you want it. So once you've got the loop as long as you want it, you can remove the threads from the board. And then you can just gently pinch it in to create your loop. So it should look like that. And then just pinch it closed and clip it to the top of your board. And then separate off the ends of your threads and then take the one in the centre at either side. And then you can knot these together. And if they're the same colour, you can just knot them in either direction. So once you've done your two knots over those, you can take your next two threads at either side. You want to knot these towards the centre. You want to do this both times over both the threads. And then you want to do the same thing at the other side. So once again, knot towards the centre both times over both threads. Once you've got both in the centre, you can once again knot these together. And then you can move on to your next 2 threads. And like you did last time, you're just going to knot these both times towards the centre. And then do the same at the other side. Again, knotting towards the centre each time. So once you come to the last row to be knotted to form your loop, you may have 1 or 2 threads left over, depending on whether you had an odd or even number to begin with. If you've only got 1 like I've got, you can still just do normal knots, but this time, instead of doing it over 2 to start with, you're just going to go all the way down to the centre as normal. Once again, once you get to the centre, you can knot both your centre threads together. So you should end up with something that looks like this.